is about to skyrocket, and let me tell you why. This is crazy. So, for those of you who know, Robinhood's been selling off Thursday and Friday, 10% both days, and then on Sunday we went down another 10% Sunday night into overnight trading hours and opened actually 12% in the negative in the morning, all the way down to 29.66. Since then, we boosted, shot up all the way up to here, which was a 20% recovery from that level, came down and pretty much traded sideways and started pushing back up again. But this is why I think we're about to keep pushing even higher. So, first of all, we got no major reports that came out today, and we already knew about that since Friday. We get no major reports to come out tomorrow. So, as long as bad news doesn't come out, we're oversold enough to where we can keep pushing. But listen to this. Here's the main reason why I think we're about to push up higher, because on Thursday a report is coming out, and I believe it's going to be at 8:30 in the morning. Let me double check here real quick. Yeah, 8:30 in the morning, the CPI report. For those of you who don't know what it is, it's the inflation report. Inflation report is at 2.8% right now, and the forecast is that we're coming in at 2.6. So that's 0.2% lower than anticipated. Um, so that's really, really good news. That means inflation is going down, even though we thought inflation is going to be pretty bad in March. So we are going to be that. I believe that that's going to be a good sentiment to rally all the way up until Thursday. We might have pullbacks here and there, but until Thursday, I think we will be in the green as long as no tariff and stuff like that doesn't ruin it. As of right now, with the tariff news, there's not much going on. It's just a waiting game at this point. But if we take a look at the 1 hour time frame, we broke through the EMA line and we did not sell off. And you could see, like, even after hours, people are still buying right now. But after we broke through, we did not sell off when the market closed. That's a big sign that we're going to rally again tomorrow, because people have had enough. They don't want to sell off anymore. And if you take a look how close we closed to the top compared to the bottom, that just shows you that I think this was the bottom here. The bottom is in. And I mean, we could go lower. Who knows if something with tariffs comes out that's just going to send the market crashing right back down. But as of right now, there's no news. It's a waiting game with the tariffs. Today, tomorrow is pretty much no reports coming out. And then Thursday, we get that big report, and it's supposed to be good news. And if we do even better, because that's not 2.6 is not guaranteed what that's going to be. We could come in even higher or lower. If we come in higher than 2.6, like 2.7, I think the market for a second can pull down but come right back up, because 2.7 is not that bad. But if we beat 2.6, if we come in at 2.5, you better believe the market is going to go flying all the way up. And who knows? It's going to be so much buying pressure. People are going to forget about the tariffs, like just like that. I already bought a position for tomorrow. My plan is to sell around, let's take a look here on the 4 hour. I plan to sell at about $38 a share. Yeah, so maybe like up here somewhere. If we end up going down in the morning, I will try to rebuy another position. Like, I'll add to my position at, let's see, pretty much right under $32. I will rebuy right under 32. I mean, not right under 32, right under low 32s, pretty much. Yeah, like really low 32s around right here. And if we break through this and create a new low, then I will stop loss out. But that's the plan for tomorrow. So make sure you guys are careful, but just be careful for this resistance here on the 30-minute, which is the moving average. Well, that's actually at 38.80, so that's going to be pretty much below the sell point anyways. And same with this one. This one's going to be even higher at 40. So pretty much that's going to be the only resistance here at 38.97. But if we sell at 38, you pretty much you're safe there. So that's a very, very good trade. That's what I'm going to be looking out for, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I cover the stock every single day, so leave your comments down below. If you want me to break down the stock, just leave the ticker symbol in the comments, and I will take a look and I will comment on it in my next video. See you guys tomorrow.